What's up? I'm Senior Noah Azan here at the McCallie School. I'm Senior Noah Azan, dude.
Oh, I'm Alex Hyde, a senior.
Well, and you're watching Tornado Watch.
Watching Tornado Watch.
Your weekly show for skits, stories, and more across campus. Dude, put the phone up. You're taking away from my spotlight.
Nah.
You're lucky the cave is a safe spot.
Safe spot?
Yeah, recently McCallie hired a mysterious masked figure to tackle unsuspecting students using their phone illegally.
Really?
Yep.
How does that work?
What are we going to do about this phone usage problem?
I'm afraid our only option is to activate him.
It's been a long time since I've worn this mask.
Can you feel that? Oh, wow.
Hey, Dougie, how's it going?
Oh, hey.
How's it going? Great job staying off that phone. That's nice.
Thank you.
Told you so. So now let's TikTok it and put it in your pocket.
Doesn't work coming from you.
You know what I love, Alex?
Interrupting?
Monster trucks! This past weekend, McCallie's big kid, Patch Lawson, took some of the boys, and yours truly, to an epic monster truck rally in really rad Ringgold, Georgia. There were thrills, chills, and no kills unless you're talking about our airdromes. For a change of pace, literally, McCallie and GPS had its ever so electric silent disco.
Unfortunately for the boarding community, Big Five has been canceled for the past 2 weekends in a row. This must especially hurt for our historically leading champions, the Founders Flounders. That doesn't sound right.
You know, Alex, since I was a kid, it was my dream to become an artist.
Just last week you said you wanted to be the manager of a Waffle House.
Yeah, but that is unattainable. This is my true purpose.
Whatever floats your truck.
Yeah, you know what? I can call our exquisite art teacher, Mr. Marin, to show us how it's done.
Sure, whatever gets me out of here quicker.
You gonna call him?
The phone is on your side of the desk.
I want you to call him.
Hello? Okay, I'm on it.
I have several questions about this drawing.
Yeah, me too. How does it look so good? Like, it's so true to life. Like, it's showing the soul of the individual.
Not my soul. It's not there in this painting. I have no soul in this painting.
Well, we gotta go onto the McCallie mountain bike team in our next segment.
No.
Yeah, we do. We
need to talk about the clear problem with.
What's up, guys? I'm Henry.
And I'm Ben, and we're at Walden's Ridge Park.
Today I'm going to be following Ben down this Black Diamond Jump Trail, Dale Bernhardt. So let's get it.
Ready? Let's do it.
Go, go, go.
What happened?
Do we break the rig?
I think so.
Who am I here with?
Hudson Snow.
William Fowler.
Max Underwood.
Seabass.
Sean Couvertier.
Mr. Dexter. Alex Dermody.
What's the best pizza place in Chattanooga?
Mellow Mushroom.
Definitely Mellow Mushroom.
Southside.
I don't eat pizza.
The honest answer is probably Community Pie.
Probably Fiamma.
I'm gonna say Luffy's.
Mellow Mushroom.
Community Pie.
Pizza Bros.
Let me go Southside Pizza.
What do you get there?
Pepperoni.
Thank you. What do you get there?
Cheese pizza.
Valid.
Pepperoni pizza.
Little Italy is the best pizza in town. It's got the little claybroom chili peppers.
Cheese pizza.
Classic. I'm a cheese kind of guy.
But it's not on the way to dance on Wednesday nights, which is where my daughter goes. So when I
Pepperoni pizza. If you say pineapple on pizza is right, you're wrong. If I eat pizza, it's Hawaiian.
You like pineapple?
Oh yeah.
You're wrong.
Bacon and honey and pineapple.
they're spicy and salty and delicious.
McDonald's. They got a really good pineapple pizza.
Ready for some mellow mushroom?
I thought Southside won that.
I don't care. Just bring in the pizza. Thank you. Amazing. Wait, why is there one missing? It's actually a pretty good pizza.
Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. A little bit of grease though.
Got the nice cheese and sauce, but I just wish it was a bit more crunchy.
Yeah, I'd give it a 7 out of 10.
I'm gonna have to go about 6.5. Well, unfortunately, it's the end of our pizza and the end of our show.
Catch y'all next week.